Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reasoning channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can easily charge your phone using your BOSE speaker. So actually the only thing we do need is the USB Type-C to C cable. The first part of this cable you have to plug straight to your speaker. Wait a moment, I need to search for this cable on my desk. Here, the first part you have to plug into your speaker. So wait a moment, I need to plug it like this. And now the second part of it you need to plug to your phone. So here, as you can see, we do have our phone. Wait a moment, and we do have to plug our phone into that. And now, as you can see, 46% charging. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And goodbye.